Hello, Sean and Mel. Day 3 now. We're going to apply some weed killer and brush this dansand in, then go over it all with a biocide. I'm now going to spray some of the weeds down the bottom part of the garden, what was quite bad. So even though we're using dansand and biocide, I still want to put another layer of protection down and put weed killer. That's all the weed spraying finished with now, so we'll let it dry. Here we are, Sean and Mel, GWS. This is the last stage of this job now. We've sprayed it all with weed killer, we've put dansand in, and now we're just going to apply biocide. Then the job's done. This is the end of the job. So we have cleaned the driveway, we have applied weed killer, dansand and a biocide. Just taking you through a quick walk round, and thank you for Mel and myself for watching, and we'll see you soon.